Guys, good evening all. Good evening all. This is our Bybit exchange. This is Bybit. Okay, I know so many of us are conversant with uh, cryptocurrencies or conversant with exchange, but I decided to make this video for the sake of those that you know that are not conversant, that don't have the knowledge about exchange. This exchange now Bybit, you can see we have about four categories here. We have about four categories here. Number one is home. Number two is the market. Number three is the derivatives, which is futures trading. Yeah, that's derivative. Number four is sports. Let me remove this thing. Sports trading. While number five is assets. The asset is where your money is being kept, as in your wallet. So let's talk about the home. In this home, this is a place where you can, you know, access so many things here. Like if you click on more, it open up to sorry. What's wrong with my okay? This is what I'm looking for. As you can see, this one is buy crypto. The first one we see here is buy crypto. In case if you want to buy crypto, this is the place you will go. I will show you how, I will guide you how to do it. This one is invite friends. This one is Web3. This one is reward. There are so many things to do here in this particular place. So let's move straight to another one here. Let's move straight to another one. Okay, in case if you want to buy crypto, there are three ways to access buying crypto. Either you click on this more. If you click on more, it will open up to this service phase, and you can see deposits, buy crypto, P2P trading, fiat deposits. So the one we use most, especially the one we are using now, is this P2P trading. P2P trading is a kind of a place where you enter into a market, you buy from someone. Yeah, you buy from someone, as you send the person the money, the person release the coin to you. uh, Before the person will release the coin to you, as in when you are trying to purchase the USDT, because one thing we normally buy with P2P is USDT. Yes, is USDT. If you buy USDT with P2P, then you can buy other coins through sports trading. So when you uh, indicate that you want to buy that particular coin, Bybit officials, they will take the coin from the person. They will hold the coin. You will send the money to the person. Once the person receives the payment, the person will release the coin to you. Yeah, that's how to buy in P2P trading. And the next one here is market. Market is about all the coins. Yeah, like I just have four coins monitored under derivatives. This one is a spot. This one is a spot. You can add as many as you can. Yes, you can add as many coins as you can. This one is favorite, or is under favorite, as you can see. Low battery. As you can see here, it's still under favorite. These are the four coins I put under favorite. You can see coin on spot trading. You can see as many as is here. This is um, market. Any coin you are looking for here. Let's assume now that I want to view my not coin. I will come to this search bar. I come to this search bar here. I will click on it. I will click on it. Sorry. I will click on the search bar. Um, I will type in not coin. Sorry for the delay. My phone. Once my phone is slow, it starts misbehaving. I will click on not coin. I just click on not, so it will bring out. Look at the options they brought out. This one is not coin here, as you can see. So it's not coin USDT. These are not coin USDT perpetual. So not USDT. They are different. You can see different coins they brought out here. So what I'm looking for is not coin. I click on this not coin. It will now bring me to the chart. This one is the trade. If I want to trade spot trade, if I want to buy, and after getting my USDT and I want to buy any coin, I will buy it through this place. This one is buy. If I want to sell any coin, I will click on sell. It will sell. So if you want to see the chart, this one is trade. This one is trade. What this one is chart. You click on chart. You click on chart. You can see the movement, the not coin movement. The thing is seriously rising. It's seriously rising. So this one is spot trade. This one is futures trading. This one is your assets. So this is the letter I can do for now. Tomorrow or by Monday we'll start full tutorial. I will show you on how to buy P2P. I will show you P2P trading. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Love you.